2007 Dodge Ram 2500 heavy duty, and it's the crew cab, full 4 doors, short box, 4-wheel drive. And it's the very last of the year, last year in 07, the split year, with the 24 valve, 5.9 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine. This truck has 2 brand new batteries. It's been completely serviced through the shop. Chrome 17-inch factory alloy wheels with BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. Tinted privacy glass in the rear. With the trailer tow package. It's got a box liner, plastic. Paint is all in excellent condition. Very well looked after. And it's fully loaded, so it's got the power leather interior, leather seats, driver and passenger power. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, heated mirrors. 121,477 miles. It's got a CD player, air conditioning, 4-wheel drive shifter on the floor. It also has the heads-up display, which is the compass and the temperature outside. It's got the console in the middle, flip-up middle seat. There's also the seats lift up and there's storage underneath as well. And you can view this 5.9 liter Cummins diesel at Kolenberg Motors at 3537 Cowichan Lake Road in Duncan.